Hello, hello, hello. I am here to do a full review of this Megababe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Right here is the packaging. And I will link this product below, but it can be found at www.megababebeauty.com. And it's made from 100% recycled material. The packaging is. And this soap doesn't have any no paraffins, no sulfates, none of that kind of stuff. So pretty happy. It says it does state a warning, it may increase your sensitivity to the sun and increase your likelihood of getting burnt. So just be aware if you've used this product, maybe don't go directly out in the sun, or at least use some sort of sun protection. This bar smells really nice. It has a clean smell, but also kind of a earthy smell. It sudsed up very nicely. Really happy with how well it sudsed up, and it rinsed very nicely as well. So yeah, I used this bar on my entire body. So the only thing I didn't use this bar was on my face. Everything else I used this bar for. Worked great. I would be happy to buy this product in the future and recommend it to others. So if you've tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. If you have not tried this before, do you have a go-to soap, bar of soap that you enjoy? If you have a favorite go-to bar of soap brand, let me know what that brand is in the comment section. Maybe it's one I've tried. Maybe it's one I'd be willing to try. We'll see. But this is the one I recently tried, and yeah, I like it. I think they did a smashing job with this product, and I'm excited to go to their website and see what other things they have to offer. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.